Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an avid Amazon shopper and a Prime member, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to get the Amazon Prime Visa virtual card, a handy tool that lets you earn rewards on your purchases while shopping securely online. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started quickly. First off, make sure you have an active Amazon Prime membership. If you don't, head to Amazon's website, sign up, and enjoy perks like free shipping. It's the foundation for this card. Once you're set with Prime, navigate to the Amazon Prime Visa page. You can find it by searching Amazon Prime Visa on Amazon.com or visiting Chase's website, as they partner with Amazon to issue the card. Next, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the application. You'll need to provide basic info like your name, address, and social security number for a quick credit check. Don't worry, it's straightforward and secure. After submitting, wait for approval. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your credit history. If you're approved, congratulations, you're almost there. Now, download the Chase mobile app if you haven't already. Log in with your new card details, and you'll see your virtual card number right away. This virtual version works just like a physical card but is perfect for online transactions. One of the best parts? You'll earn 5% back on Amazon purchases, 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. It's a game changer for saving money. Before you jump in, remember to use credit responsibly to build your credit score. If you have any questions, check Amazon's help section or Chase's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.